ma lisaksin sellele õpetussõnade raamatu tekstile veel ühe ime ja saladuse. Ja see oleks see, et on seletamatu, kui 50 aasta pärast te tuleksite siia Kassari kabelisse teineteise kõrval. Kallistaksite teineteist ja ütleksite, me oleme teineteise kõrval 50 aastat ja kui Jumal annab veel rohkem olnud, kõigest läbi tulnud ja armastame teineteist rohkem kui sellel päeval, kui meid siin laulab.
When I was young, who knew my heart, he knew my sorrow, he held my hand, and he led me to trust him. The safety of your love, I trust your heart and your intentions, trust you completely, I'm listening intently, you'll guide me through these many shadows. As I grow and as I change, may I love you more deeply. I will lean upon your grace. I will weep because your goodness is unending. The sun, moon and stars shout your name, they give you reverence, and I will do the same with all my heart. I give you glory. I want to see safety of your love. I trust your heart and your intent. Trust you completely.